How do you solve a problem like average watch time on your YouTube channel is about 2 minutes? Try and do a video in 2 minutes and then see what happens. Okay, I've taught some classes today which involve B major, and I've just finished, and then first thing I listened to on YouTube after that was Seagulls by Tom Misch, which is from the new B-sides to What Kind of Music from Tom Misch and Yuseff Days. Sounds a bit like this. Sounds a lot like B major, B major, B major 9 to E major 6/9 to F sharp minor 7 to G major 7 to A13 sus or G major 7 over A. And those are the chords to Seagulls by Tom Misch and Yuseff Days. Okay, half a minute to spare. Let's see how we go. Hope that makes sense. Okay, cool. See you in a bit. Bye.